So the Tiger's completely finished. I've also registered it, and I'm having a blast driving it out on the road and taking it to cruise-ins. It's been quite a project. It's not your ordinary car, but it was my dream car. So let's give you a design walk around. So we'll start around the front here. You can see we've got some big eyes right up front. The front was inspired by the 1961 Messerschmitt TG500. It was quite a performer in its day back in 1961, and it earned the nickname Tiger. I pay tribute by calling this car a Tiger. If you look real closely, you can see the snout of a tiger, as well as the heavy furrowed brow of a tiger as well. Coming around the car, we have front independent suspension. It is a cantilever suspension, so the coilover shocks are inside the body to keep the outside looking nice and clean. Then coming around to the side, you'll see on the inboard side of the wheels there that in the part that comes in, that's reminiscent of about a 1962 Volkswagen Beetle that's had the fenders pulled off, like you see in a lot of Volkswagen rat rods. On the side here, this area almost looks like a motorcycle cafe racer, the fairing around that. And as you come around the back, there are elements there that are from Indy cars of the late 50s. Now, if you look at this as a whole, you can also see that this almost looks like the rib cage of a tiger with the abdomen, and so it's crouching with their legs behind it, crouching on the ground. Coming around the back, exhaust exits out the top. Like I say, it is licensed. And there is a peg on the side that you step on to get inside. So coming inside, we have a color-coordinated steering wheel. The bulkhead is reminiscent of a late 50s Porsche 550. And then as you look at the interior, the design is also reminiscent of an early 60s custom hot rod. So let's get in and take it for a ride. What a satisfying project to design and build your own car. If you've got the same dream, there's a guide out there, a guide I wrote as part of building this project. I use this project as an example for how to design and build any car. You'll find it on the bookshelves of Barnes & Noble and Amazon. It's available in either an ebook or as a hard copy. It's called Design and Build Your Dream